Many people think Fort Lauderdale just beaches. But I just noticed there is something on the ground. Yeah, you should come to this park. Good morning, guys. How are you today? Where are we today? We are in Fort Lauderdale, south of Florida. And today I'm going to show you some places you can visit when you're here on vacation. I live around 10-15 minutes from here. So today I'm going to take you to a special spot. We are already in it, actually. We are in Hugh Taylor Birch Park. And this park is just across the street from the beach. I know, because a lot of people think Fort Lauderdale is just sand, beaches, and that's it. No, Fort Lauderdale more than that, and we have this gorgeous park. Lots of tourists don't know about it, so today we are gonna go and tour and show you a little bit around. So I want to mention something. What you see behind me, this is not the ocean. This is the Intracoastal. On the other side of the park is the Atlantic Ocean. Yes, it's the Fort Lauderdale Boulevard, Beach Boulevard. So behind me here is the Intracoastal, and on the other side is the Atlantic Ocean, which Fort Lauderdale Beach Boulevard. The size of this park is 180 acre. And lots of people may be wondering why it's called Hugh Birch Park, because Mr. Hugh Taylor Birch, he was an attorney from Chicago, and he came down here. He owned this land before, and then he donated it for the city, and then they named this park after him. Now you know. Mr. Birch donated this park in the 1940, and they opened it to the public in the 1949. So, yep, took like 9 years. I want to mention something. Like when you walk here in the park, there is part of the park is very foresty. You feel like you are literally in a jungle. But on this side of the park, which the intercoastal area, it's so beautiful. Behind me, there is a lots of seats. You can come here like do picnic things, and make sure to pick up your stuff after you finish, because we don't appreciate leaving your stuff behind you after you eat. Keep it nice. So it's very beautiful because you can come here and have a seat and just enjoy the view. Like, I mean, look how beautiful is that? You can sit, look at the intercoastal and the multi-million-dollar homes, enjoy them and dream. Maybe one day you purchase one of them, who knows? And you become my neighbor. I don't live here, by the way, but very close. Maybe one day soon. I mean, this park, guys, beautiful, especially in the morning. Like I'm here around like 8:30, 9 o'clock. It's very quiet. There is lots of people around, but the park is big, okay? So some people doing sports, some people just walking their dogs, having coffee. It's just peaceful, gorgeous place, especially in the morning. So I highly recommend it if you visit again Fort Lauderdale. Okay, I want to let you know something. I was using the restroom, and on my way out, I just noticed there is something on the ground. Okay, and I found a wallet. I can see driver license, Florida driver license. There is credit cards, debit cards. There is money, as we see here. Definitely, I'm not going to show the guy's information. So hopefully, I can find this person later. I will try to contact him and give him his wallet. Hopefully, I can find him. But right now I'm filming, so I have no time for that. But I will keep it safe, and he will get it. I will do my best. Absolutely. Oh wow, guys, this tree is gorgeous. Look at this. Wow. There's nothing like in nature, you know? So gorgeous. Look at that. I mean, yeah, you should come to this park. It's so beautiful. If you visit Fort Lauderdale, you need to come here. I mean, it's so peaceful. People walking around, not too many early in the morning, as I mentioned. And the park is big, so don't worry about it. Come, enjoy. And I want to just show you something. This is my other camera, my heavy one. I'm trying not to carry it around so much. It's so heavy. And this is my bag here and full of equipment and stuff. Your stuff is heavy to carry around, guys, but you're worth it. I will make you the best content. Today is a little bit humid. So yeah, I'll film a little bit more and keep going to the next location. Guys, do you remember a few minutes earlier that lady with me? She saw me, she was asking me, what you filming? I said, for YouTube. She said, oh, okay, there is a beautiful big tree. I just showed it to you. Here, you need to, film this because it's really hot spot here in the park. So I was like, yeah, that would be great. How far is it? And she said, like, few minutes. So we walked. I walked like half an hour to get to the tree. Half hour to go, half hour to come back here to the road so I can go to my car. I became a tree. It was in 1 hour to get one shot of this damn tree. I mean, it's a beautiful tree, but it was far. Okay, let's go. Huh?
Not that I know of.
Do you have your wallet on you?
No, I don't.
Where is it?
I don't. Well, I'm hoping it's in the car, unless you found a wallet.
You don't hope because I will need to know.
Do you find a wallet?
Yes, and maybe it's yours.
Open it
Your
up.
driving license, what state?
Florida.
Florida?
Yeah.
Because before I came here, I recorded on my camera that I will do my best to find the person who lost his wallet, and I think that's him. So let's go
I
and
feel sorry
find
for
it.
you that there's not much money in there.
You find to be on camera?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Perfect. No, I'm gonna give it to you.
oh, look, I found a camera.
I was like passing by, and I'm like, wait a minute. I checked the picture. I think that's him, maybe. So let's ask.
Okay.
So let's go and get you the wallet.
Oh, it's hiding.
It's in my car.
Oh, then I'll have
I'm gonna keep it in a safe place, of course.
I bless you. My goodness, what country is from?
I'm Lebanese originally.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I lived in Saudi Arabia for a year.
And Saudi Arabia, yeah, it's not very far from my country. It's like maybe 2.5 hours flight, something like this. This is your.
Oh, hidden in there. All right.
Yes. Ah, check it out.
Yep, Levi Strauss.
Make sure everything's okay.
There's my phone number and my email.
I didn't see that.
No, I haven't tucked in.
I opened here. I saw a business card here,
Yep.
like a doctor. This is yours?
Yeah, that's
Okay,
me.
perfect.
That's extra ones.
Okay,
Oh
I'm
yeah,
gonna
my
keep
doctor.
it.
You could have called them and they would have said, "Oh, we know Rob. He has to come in for his March appointment."
He got his wallet back. I'm very happy. This is a good day.
Look, there's my.
So I'm very glad I met you, and you got it back. Make sure all your money's in. Oh no, please, no. I'm glad you got your wallet
Your
back.
name is
Walid.
Walid.
Yes,
Oh, Walid found my wallet.
I found your wallet. And one of the things you can do here in the park is you can do kayak. Yes, you can kayak here. You can come here, rent one of them, and enjoy the canal. And I believe there is a people behind me just coming in. Yes, you see them from distance. So yeah, you can come here with your friends or by yourself. You want to relax, take this one of those kayak and go kayak for a few hours. relax, you and the nature. And the Grove is a beautiful, peaceful, open air bar and restaurant surrounded by tropical nature. It's a perfect place to relax, guys. Enjoy your refreshing drink or a light meal and take in the calm atmosphere of the park. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. And I see you in the next video.